It looks like a giant radio antenna, and it is, sort of. The Codar SeaSonde radar uses radio waves to detect the speed of ocean currents over time. That data is then used to create models showing where the currents are moving.
What this allows you to do is measure directly the velocity of the oil, and that tells you where it's going in the future.
And right now, scientists in this Tiburon lab are mapping where the oil is moving in the Gulf of Mexico in near real time, providing help for the crews trying to deploy booms to soak up the crude before it hits the shores.
It really impacts everything. In this case, you're talking about the shrimp industry, the oyster industry, the tourist industry, and most of these marshes are really the nursery grounds for many of the fish species.
That's the explosion happened right here. So oil is moving into the area of radar coverage.
A current concern that the oil moving from the exploded rig will get caught into the fast-moving loop current.
It would put the oil on the beaches of Miami within a week because they're really fast-flowing current.
Codar has deployed 3 radar systems along the Louisiana coastline and may install more along Florida's coastline now that the oil is moving closer to land there. Scientists say the maps created by this technology predicted where the oil from the Costco Busan would go.
This shows that the oil that was released at this X right here, how it spread around the bay during the Costco Busan incident. So it impacted the San Francisco waterfront, Angel Island, Treasure Island, and the Tiburon Peninsula. And those are the main areas that were impacted by the oil.
And the final map showed the predictions were right on target. Its technology crews in the Gulf of Mexico will depend on as they race to save the shoreline from even more damage.